Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills, and a very happy Independence Day to all my Pakistanis from my side, and also to all Pakistanis who are living around the world. So happy Independence Day again. So let's start trading. Okay, so today's topic will be a very important topic about that. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, now the topic of today is how to take trades after breakouts. So the topic of today is that how to take trades after the breakouts. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the main features of the breakouts, and then we are going to take any kind of trade as per the breakouts. So now here, if I want to ask you one thing here, that okay, tell me in this picture that what is the breakout level. I'm asking you what is the breakout level, so you all will say that this is the breakout level, but it is wrong. You can see, you cannot ignore the previous week. You can see this one, so the real breakout will occur here. Okay, so now let me show you here. Okay, so in this area, if I ask you about that, how can, let me, okay, let me set this one. Now if I ask you that in this area what is a breakout level, don't consider it like this. You need to consider the wick also. So this is the breakout level. Anything breaks the level, you can go here with the confirmation candlestick and you will win your trade. Okay, now you can see here market is still going up. So now why the market will go more and more up here, because you can see here this is the actual level for this area. You can see here this is the actual level, and exactly from this area sellers are trying to step in into the market. You can see here for this zone, this is the real level. Okay, now you can see I'm talking about the level. Now the candle closed in the level. If you want to go here with the sellers, so what you need to do, you need to wait for a good rejection. So right now we are waiting for the breakouts, so I cannot consider it anything. Now you can see market is trying to go up and up again. As I told you in the beginning of the video that you cannot ignore this wick, this one, because it is also coming from this zone. So it means that the real and the actual sellers are here. So if you want to wait for this level's breakout, then you need to wait for this level. So now after this candlestick, now you can see again, you can expect here, you can see again market broke the level strongly now, but I will not take any kind of trade, so I will not do any foolish trading here. So now You can see here now this candle, this wick is touching this area, so it means that it is showing to us that we need to wait here for this level's breakout. So now we will wait here, because wicks are very important for the breakouts. You can see market is getting the rejection exactly from these points, so it means that our analysis was right. So now you can see market is coming to the level, but now if I want to analyze the market here, market closed where? Market closed exactly at the seller's area. You can see here at this area sellers entered here, so it means that this candle is making a new low, telling to us that the market needs to go down, because buyers are pushing the sellers are pushing the market to go down and buyers are far away. And now candle closed here exactly at the seller's entry point, so you can go here easily with the sellers and you will win. So now here I got an opportunity, I took one trade and we will win, no doubt about it. Okay, you will see a bearish candle here. Okay, again you can see candle closed here. Okay, now you can see here I want to take my trade, but I need to change the pair because there is no opportunity for the breakout, so I need a breakout. Okay, here I'm not seeing any kind of opportunity, I cannot go here. Okay, so now in this candlestick, okay, now you can see here you can see still market can go down because it is not crossing the actual buyer's area. So the actual buyer's area is here. So now after this candlestick I can go here with the buyers if the candle breaks this area. So I will wait because this is the level. Okay, now I can go here with the buyers because of the level. I took my trade here because of the levels, so still there is no breakout. Okay, why there is no breakout? Now see this blue line here, actual level. Now actual level shifted here, again market is coming to this level, again actual level shifted here, but now market closed where? Market closed exactly at the actual buyer's area. So therefore I took my trade here in an up direction, but now right now in these two trades I am not getting here a confirmed breakout. So in Euro JPY I am going to show you here the next level. Okay, so if I want to go here with the sellers, I need to see that the market breaks this level, so it will take time, no issues. Now I want to change the pair because it will take so much time here. I need a good area. Okay, now you can see it is a momentum started here, so I can notice this area. I need to see a good opportunity here. Okay, so now if I want to go here with the sellers, I need to say that this is the actual breakout level. If market breaks this level, I can go here with the sellers. Okay, so I need to wait. Okay, the actual levels are here. Okay, I will wait here. Now you can see. So as I told you, you need to always remember one thing, that if you want to take your trade, you need to consider the high price. It is a real breakout level. So So now you can see this candle is breaking this level. Okay, so this candle is breaking this level. So after that I can go here with the sellers, and I want to show you here the actual sellers entry point is this one. So anything closes in this area I can go here with the sellers also. Okay, so it is a breakout actual sellers area. Okay, so I need to wait. I need to go here with the sellers. Okay, why? Because the candle closed exactly at the seller's entry point. So now you will see here after a breakout we will get here a winning trade, and you will see here this is the confirmation candlestick which is forming here. Now you can see this candle is a actual and exact and accurate confirmation candle. So now, as I told you, you need to wait for the exact and accurate high prices of the candlestick, the wicks. I am talking about the wicks. Now let me show you here again. Okay, now I want to show you here that in this area, as I told you, always remember one thing: if you are going for the breakouts, don't consider the bodies. Okay, so don't consider the bodies of the candlestick. It is wrong, it is totally wrong for the breakouts. You need to wait for the candle to cross the highest wick of that area. So it crossed here and went up, and exactly from this zone I am seeing here a reversal or a bearish momentum and a level and seller's candles. So it is another confirmation. Now after that you can easily take your trades if you get a 5-second here. I took my trade because of my experience. So now again I want to show you here the 5-second. You can see here, so this market closed exactly here at this area. Now what happened? The first candle I took my trade here because I knew the market will go down, and now what I'm seeing here, this is the first 10-second, this is the second 20-second. Okay, so now if you see this area and you get your 5-second confirmation here, you can smile at this area and it will go down for sure. As I told you, the main points of the breakouts, and now you can see market went down, and here you can easily win your trades. You can see this 5-second confirmation. So today's my main aim was that I want to show you all the breakouts. So let me show you here in the chart. I'm going to explain few things, and I want to ask from you all that you need to consider the breakouts. Okay, so let's talk about this area. Okay, let me remove it now. I want you all to give me an answer here, that if you want to go here with the after breakout strategy, what will you do? So what are the levels? Okay, some of you all will say this is the level, this is the level, and this is the level, but I need you all to correct yourself. And now you can see here, if I want you all to give me a good and proper answer about that, which is the level to consider for the breakout. So now, as I told you, you need to check the highest wick. The highest wick is here, so you need to check this level. So in this area you can see which wick is the highest wick here. So you can see this is the highest wick here. So now if you want to go here with the sellers after the breakout, you need to consider this area. Now you can see market broke this level. You can get your 5-second here and you can take your trade at this area and you will get a winning trade here. Now at this point again, if I want to ask you which is the level for the breakout, this is wrong. So what will you do? You will set the lines like this. Now this candle broke the area, you can take your 5-second confirmation here. You can win your trade after the breakout. Again the same thing. Let me explain to you all more. Now you can see here, if I want to ask you all that what is the level to consider for the breakout, so now what will you do here? You can see here this level, and now you can see again this level was the level, but now you can see this candle is breaking this area. So now what happened here? At this time this candle broke the level, but if you are not getting here a 5-second, then don't take your trade. You will get a loss here. So now again I want to show you here. Okay, now you can see here, if I want to ask that what is the level here for the breakout, so at this area you can see this is the level. Candle broke this level. You can go here with confirmation and you will win your trade. Okay, so now let me show you here. Okay, let me show you here the more examples about the breakouts. Now you can see, if I want you all to give me an answer about the breakout, so now you can see this level is finished and market broke this level, and now you can expect here a buyer's entry with the confirmation. So this is how you can take your trades after the breakouts, and you will be easily in good winning ratio. So now you can see the theme and the theory is very easy. Now if I want you all to give me an answer here about the breakout, you can see here, don't try to draw it like this, try it like this. Try to draw it like this. Now you can see market broke the level, wait for the confirmation candle and go with the sellers. Okay, so this is the way. So this is how you can take your trades after breakout. So try it, practice it more and more, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram, and I will be there for you all. And try to practice it more and more, and you need to consider that what is happening after the breakouts and in the previous candles. It will help you all. So have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. And you can also join our channel Trading Skills. You can also subscribe our channel Trading Skills, as well as you can also join our group Trading Skills on Telegram. The link is in the description. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Take care you all. Bye.